This steel mill is about as modern a product and a green a product as the steel industry has to offer. And thanks to government support, I'll be working here for a long time. Steel's so important in this part of the state. This is Western Pennsylvania. That's our heritage. The city of Pittsburgh was essentially founded on iron and steel. The materials we produce here are literally vital to American infrastructure and our way of life.
We are the only electrical steel manufacturer left in the United States. Without this plant, everything would come from China.
Up to 1,300 employees that work here. Most of those employees are union workers.
Being in a union is everything. Everybody here is like a family.
But we thought this plant was going to have to close. Butler Works was fortunate enough to receive a $75 million DOE grant for induction reheat furnaces. I knew with the support that we had from the DOE that we were going to be here for a long time.
It is so much more green. It is going to eliminate our carbon footprint and the burning of tens of thousands of cubic feet of natural gas every year. It's massively significant.
I am so excited. There's no gas involved. It's all electric.
We want to get away from fossil fuels. We want to electrify. We need to have more wind, solar, electrical vehicles, and that all comes with electrical steel. Thanks to government support, we're open for business.